All right, today we are going to fill out the next row in our multiplication chart. So, if you remember before, we start up here, put your first finger on the 2, go ahead and do this with me, and put your next finger on the 3. So our equation is 2 times 3. So slide your finger down and across. 2 times 3 equals 6. You got it. Let's write that in this box. Okay, let's do the next one. Put your finger on the 3 up here and the 3 over here. 3 times 3, we're going to slide our finger down and across to where they meet. And do you remember 3 times 3? That's one of the squares, isn't it? Yep, you're right. It equals 9. Let's write that. Okay, I want you to do the next one. So tell me where your first finger is going to go. Yep, on the 4. And where's your other finger going to go? You got it, on the 3. Okay, slide it down. 4 times 3. Ooh, I should have asked you what's the equation. 4 times 3 equals, do you remember? 12. Awesome. Okay, so you are going to do the rest of this row by yourself. And remember, you can check it after and fix any mistakes. Now, I'm gonna probably say this every time, but would it be smart to just copy all these numbers onto here? No, you learned to write your numbers probably in preschool or kindergarten. So don't just practice writing numbers. This control chart is to check your answers, okay? And we're trusting that you're going to use it properly, okay? So keep this away until you're done. If you practice doing the multiplication, you're practicing your times tables, okay? And that's 3rd grade work. All right, friends, I'll see you next time.